Rise and grind, back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2010 Volvo S80 3.2 feet V6. This is front end repair, and we're doing the outer tie rods, inner tie rods, lower control arms, and CV axles. All right, man, I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna get that done. Let's get it.
We have emotion, man. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Got it up in the air, we ready to work. So this is the worst side right here. See, the CV joint is leaking. We're doing the outer and inner tie rods. All of this is busted. Lower control arm. Let's get it, man. We got to get this bolt off right here in the middle. CV axle bolt. That's a 13 mil. Go ahead and hit that nut first. Get that loose. All right, we got our outer tie rod. Hit that bolt. All right, that nut is a 21 millimeter. Now we're gonna take our hammer. Tap right there, and that's gonna knock it loose. Alright, fall right out. Now we can take that off. Alright, we got that nut off. Now we're gonna go ahead and take off this this boot here. We got a clamp on here and a clamp on the end. So I'm gonna break those free. Alright, we got that off. And got some play in it. So we're gonna use our tool set to get this off. I'm gonna show you how. Alright, this is it. 27346. This is what I use. Set this up. So you gotta find the right one that fits over that, and then we're gonna put this over it and lock it in, and then we're gonna use that in with a 1/2 inch drive and turn it to the left to break it free. All right, we got it loose. And you can see how it is, it's locked in. All right, the lower control arm, this bolt here, we're gonna use a wrench. I use these right here though. That's a 21 mil. I'll get this fork, get up under there, hammer that up under there, that'll pop loose. We're gonna hit this bolt right here, and there's two in the back. All right, we get up here, it's a bolt right there, that nut. Hold that, and then get the bottom bolt out, because it's gonna keep turning and spinning if you don't hold it. All right, that's the other one right there. Held that bolt. All right, get that loose. So 3 of them, 18 millimeter. All right, we got those out. We can go ahead and work on that and pull this control arm out. Just like that. We out. And now we can work on this CV axle. All we gotta do is just pull this back and get that through there. Tap it with a punch, get that through. All right, once you get that through, that CV axle pop right out. That thing shot. So we're gonna get back here and get right in between that and pry it out with a pry bar, tap it with a sledgehammer. Now we get up under here, we gotta take off that skid plate. They got 6 Torx screws. Get those out. Find that CV axle right in between there. That's the area we working with. Alright, so I tried the bottom. I'm over here on this side now. And I got it that far out. It's coming. But I'm gonna have to tap it some more. Alright, and that guy popped right out. That's all you need. Check your seal. Make sure it's good. You wanna wipe it down. That would look pretty decent. See right here where it was broken and leaking pretty bad. All right, we get that in there. Want to make sure it's in all the way and it's not halfway in there, because it will pop out, leak fluid, transmission fluid, and because it's not sitting in there properly. You just want to tap it with a rubber mallet and that'll go right through. Next, we're gonna get this CV axle in there, put a little grease on there so it won't seize up in there, and that wheel bearing, and then we're gonna put that lower control back in there. All right, we looking good. All right, that worked out. Go ahead and put that axle nut in there. That bolt. All right, in the tie rod. So you want to take off your nut so we can put the sleeve back over it. Get that sleeve back on there and then put the nut on. So this little piece here, it goes right behind there before you put it on. Make sure that is on there. All right, we in there. Tighten that up. And we looking good, man. Come with a new bolt. I'll go ahead and jump on the passenger side now. All right, passenger side, we're gonna start off with the same procedure, and if I get to a different step, I'll show you that. But the CV axle will be different because it's a longer one. So let's get it. All right, we got the passenger side undone, lower control arm out, enter and out, tie rod out. Now we got to get right here. Now this bracket right here has 2 bolts holding it. We got to get those loose and get this away from that bracket. See, this is the area right here that bracket is covering. It's in between. All right, that's gonna be a 10 mil. I'm using a wrench to get that out. Both of those bolts there. And that bracket come off like that. Now we can move that around. I'm gonna pull this on out. So I ended up coming on this side, and I went up here. I hit that right there, tapped that in, and pushed it right out. All right, we matching up. Everything look good. We going back in reverse order. Alright, the passenger side is complete. And we are done, man. I hope the video helped out. Until next time, Pull Up King.